Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a short review and a couple of close-ups and tell you a little bit more about my new smartwatch fitness tracker. Hello again. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the fitness tracker. This is another waterproof fitness tracker that I'm trying, and I'm gonna give you a couple of close-ups and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about it. FITVII, that's the name of the watch. It's a health and fitness tracker. It also can answer and make phone calls. It's a smartwatch with 24/7 heart rate, blood pressure, sleeping tracking, blood oxygen monitor, and has about 120 different sport modes. So in the package, you get a watch and you get a instruction how to pair it. You also get charging cable, which is USB to the magnetic part that touches the back of your watch, and of course instructions. The watch itself has two buttons on the side. In the back there's a sensor, and then we have a charging port. The band is removable, so you can replace it in the future. The band also has a nice texture and it's pretty flexible. The watch face is 1.25 inches, almost 1.75 inches. I want to point out that when I got this watch, I charged it to full, so the battery lasts me about 10 days. To get to 10%, so I would say probably another day, and I would have to go and recharge it, otherwise it's gonna go to zero. So now this is the main interface. We have a main button on the right. Then once we click it, we can switch parameters. So you can go to the watch, and once we click it, then we can dial the telephone number just by typing the numbers on a watch. The phone quality is pretty good, and I've used it a couple of times, and the other caller on the other side can barely distinguish that I'm talking through the watch instead of being on a phone. If you want to go back, you just slide back. Now you have a contact person. You can set those things up. You have caller records. Everything will go back. You can have voice assistant. I haven't used that. And then you have different workouts. You can get access from this window. You can always click this back tab button and you're gonna go back to the regular menu. If you swipe to the left, you have quick last 4 commands that you've used. So we can make a phone call just by typing this again. And then those are the last things that we did. So this is basically kind of like a memory over here to the left. Okay. Now if we swipe to the top, then we get another window with more settings, and on the left here, this is the brightness of the screen that you can set, and more settings. So talking about the features, this is health and fitness tracker. So once you're gonna be walking, running, training, you have a bunch of different sports that you can do. Of course, it's waterproof, so you can do the swimming. Once you type one of those activities, this will start the countdown, and they will give you all the information about the sport that you're doing. Of course, this watch is not designed for diving, so you can only swim, and it's rated to be waterproof for, I think, up to 3 meters for half an hour. Now you can stop it, or we can continue. Okay, so we have a lot of different options for different sport that you want to track. Once you connect with your phone, you can also do check all that information on your phone, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So now if you're gonna swipe to the right, that you can see your fitness data, and then you can check your blood pressure, you can check your sleep patterns, and you can check whether these things are disabled on your watch. And then you can also play music once you connect it with the phone. Also, you can listen to whatever's going on your phone through the watch if you choose to do it. If you long hold it, then you can go and change the faces of the watch, or you can pick the one that you want from the app on your phone. The one thing that I'm not crazy about this particular watch is that the library of the faces for my liking is really not that great, and this is the only face that I actually like. I like something simple but practical, and that's the only one that I was able to find. All of those faces are way too busy for me, or the print is too small. Once you are going to open the app, then you can see the current steps, and the interface on that phone, I would say it's also a little bit limited. You can check your heart rate over here and also the measurements. If you are going to click health measurements, this app will going to start actively checking your stats through the watch. I'm gonna click on stop, and basically here you can choose units. You can also connect it with your Strava app, Google Fit, Health Connect, and you can do some settings. I guess the intention of the designer was to keep everything minimalistic but functional. And also price of the watch is very good. You can here check all the stats. I was not sleeping with it, so there is no stats on that. You can do the heart rate, and then here the app collects the data about your heart rate, so you can check throughout the day what that was, together with the graph throughout the day, because you can have it checked every couple of minutes, so you can monitor those things. So in summary, this is pretty good watch. It's waterproof. It's a good fitness tracker. The one thing that I would expand is the library of the faces. Other than that, it's a good buy, good price, good deal, and I would recommend it to everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.